In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Stanley number 748 drill. But the main issue really is it won't turn, so I'm thinking there's something wrong with the gearbox. So I'm going to open it up and see if there's anything seized in there. Seems clean. Okay, it will move, but it's really stiff. So I'm going to spray some lubricant in there, and let's look at this grease. See how hard that is. Okay, not too bad. I'm literally spraying everything that moves now. There it goes. Just suddenly went. Alright, it's just, yeah, it's gone really smooth. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, before I get oil everywhere, put it back in this, because this is a woodworking workshop. I don't want oil everywhere. Okay, so I think I'll clean this out and then I'll re-grease it. I think I'll take the other side off. It's actually quite nice with the cover is removed. You can see the mechanism, and it's so much more complicated. So this is a Stanley 803 drill in comparison, which is a really nice drill. But see how simple it is. Okay, I've gone over to using thinners now to clean the grease off everything. Alright, that's pretty good. I think the next thing I need to do really is take this apart. So I think I can take the chuck off and just unscrewing it. See if I can get this handle off. Handle is just held on with a loose bolt, so I'm just going to slacken that off. Yep, that's off. So all these things I've taken off now, I want to be treating for the rust. So I think I can unscrew the handle. that's a button. It's kind of seized in the pressed position at the moment. What it does is it pushes a locking mechanism here which engages into this slot there. So that's great, but I'll need to free this up. I don't think I need to strip it down any further. I'm not gonna paint this up and make it look brand new. I think it would just look really horrible and cheap if I did that. But I think I want to remove some of the rust. So what I've got is this rust removing solution, which I've never used before. So I'll give it a go. So it says you just brush it on and then leave it 15 minutes. I guess ideally you'd be wearing gloves for this. So I've left it for 15 minutes. I've reapplied the solution twice. It says make sure you don't let it go dry. So it's working quite nicely actually. This piece has actually got black paint on it as well. And you just simply rub everything off with the cloth. You're just rubbing the rust off. So I've used that rust remover and it did a pretty good job, but it was still pitting. So I gave him a sand with some 180 grit. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just cleaning them up with some thinners and going to give them a bit of a paint. yeah, definitely look about getting another handle for the front. Stop it twisting. But there you go, it's fully working.